Looking for a guaranteed return on investment when it comes to marketing your business? Video on social media is as close as it gets.
93% of the businesses that use video on social media said it helped them earn new customers. That's as close as you'll ever get to a guaranteed return in marketing your business.
So how do you use video to attract new customers for your business? Start with value. People spend their time on social media for one of three reasons. They want to be informed, entertained, or connected, and ideally all three.
That's how they get value from their time spent on social media. One thing that you didn't see on that list, sales pitches. People don't spend their time on social media to be sold to, so don't even try.
Instead, use your time and their attention to give them valuable information about how what you do will help solve a problem that they have. Inform them, entertain them, and most importantly, connect with them.
Do that on a regular basis, and you've got a guaranteed marketing strategy for your business.